Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Want to know the best way to convert your PSD file to BMP file in seconds? If yes, download the 4 and 6 image converter software designed with special forensic features. It allows user to convert images folder in more easily. Click on Open button, and you can see multiple options are available to select an image file. We are selecting PSD files option. And you can see Choose File and Choose Folder option are available. Choose as per requirement. We are selecting Choose Folder option. To upload a complete images folder from the system, and tap on Select Folder button. Now, check the required images folder in the software panel. As you see now, all the images from the folder are listed one by one in the software interface. The software provides export option to convert images into different formats. Choose your required saving option for image conversion. We are selecting BMP option. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save images after conversion result. The first is Delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Open folder after export is done. Automatically open the final result after conversion is done. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of images conversion. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button. Go to Open folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get converted images. Tool convert only 2 images in trial version and add watermark on converted files. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.